Shut up. Oh, I ruined my table numbers.
No, you didn't. It still looks fun.
Good morning, guys. So another huge day of wedding projects is underway. My parents just came by and picked up some stuff to, like, they're gonna be working on the centerpieces with the balloons. They're picking up the balloons and like the helium today, and so they're kind of getting everything all prepped with the ribbons and the vases, and it's a whole big thing. But yeah, so they just left, and now Melissa is putting the final touches on the table numbers, and so she's getting those all finished up, and they are looking so awesome. I'm so excited with how they turned out, and I can't wait to, like, I don't know, have them all finished.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Don't run on my numbers.
Are you getting in the way? Oh. Alright, so here's the very first finished.
No,
Don't show them?
you can show them, just careful.
Okay, here's the first finished table number. How beautiful is that? Like, how awesome. I'm so excited. So excited. What?
That's backwards.
No, it's not.
That's a 1.
Uh-huh.
That's backwards.
See, this is why I shouldn't do this when I'm tired, because I started doing it the other way, and then I was like, no, that's backwards. Remember I told you last night, I was like, I'm struggling with, like, the way numbers face right now.
That looked weird.
Whatever, people can deal with it. That's how it is.
Oh, no, I don't care.
We can't undo it. It is what it is at this point.
The dog is, like, losing her mind behind you.
Yeah. Are you losing your mind? Hi, crazy dog. All right, well, yep, the numbers are backwards. I knew it looked weird. I went back and forth, and I thought it was weird that the stickers were on the front, because all the other numbers, the stickers were on the back. I was, like, way tired when I was doing this last night.
Placed them that way. Whatever.
Sure. Shut up. Oh, I ruined my table numbers.
No, you didn't. It still looks fun with a block on the front.
Sure.
I could put a block on the back, too.
Why would you do that?
I don't know, because then it would...
Make it look super bad all around?
It wouldn't look backwards.
All right, finish gluing all these. So I have the best fiance / wifey in the world, because she is going to re-spray paint or re-glitter and then re-glue all the ones, because we have enough extra since we bought enough numbers to make tables up into 20, and now we only need up until 14. We have some extra numbers, and luckily we have enough ones to kind of redo them, because I'm a dummy and don't know which way a one's face. So she's gonna redo that while I go and do some other wedding stuff, and so we will have normal looking ones. I cannot believe I did that. I was literally so tired, and I said it a couple of times. I was like, I'm having a really hard time figuring out which way numbers are facing. Like, it's like, it was one of those things where you say a word so many times that it sounds weird no matter how right you're saying it, and so it was just like, my brain wasn't working. Luckily, of course though, I did mess up the numbers that, like, have the most numbers of them. Like, there's 5 ones, and there's only, I know, I feel such a dummy. Oh well, it'll get fixed.
We were very tired last night when we started doing that.
Yeah. Thank you for fixing it.
Of course, that's why you're marrying me.
That's why I'm marrying her.
The mistakes. I make the problems go away.
Thank you, honey. And you are just getting all sorts of in the way. So what do you have to say for yourself about that?
In the way there, bud.
Yeah, a little bit. Say, but I got a raccoon.
You're gonna walk on something that has glue on it, and
I know.
It's gonna get stuck on you. And then instead of going to dinner for my birthday tonight, we're gonna end up taking you to the vet to get the glue off your foot.
She's like, no, she looks like a meerkat right now. All right, I'll take her in the office so you can work out here.
Earlier, I got so frustrated with her. I said, "Here, take your child."
She was being a little freaking out when my parents got here.
Not my child when you do that. Only my child when you're good.
All right, so it is a bit later, and Melissa has been doing some awesome work on the table numbers. They are almost all ready. She, like, has completely fixed the accidental backward ones, and so they will look normal, I think, except for one maybe, or all of them will be normal.
All look good.
What?
No, they will all look good.
They will all look good, so that's awesome. And I have basically been kind of doing prep work for our guest advice album, so I've been slicing up all this pastel paper into 50 6x6 pieces of paper so that I can make little paper envelopes to stick in the advice album for them to put their advice cards in, if that makes any sense. So yeah, it's just kind of a whole bunch of stuff that I have to do with this paper. So I've trimmed it all down to size, and next I have to round the corners, and then I have to just like fold it up and stick it in the book. But yeah, I'm happy to have that project started, and now we actually have gotten ready, and we are going to head out to Melissa's parents' house because we are going to dinner to celebrate Melissa's birthday. And also her aunt, uncle, and cousins just came in from California for the wedding, and their 2 girls are our flower girls, and so yeah, we're going to see them, and it should be a fun night. Hey guys, alright, so it's the next day again, and we weren't able to end the vlog yesterday because, again, we stayed a lot later than we were expecting, and so we just kind of had to get home and power through finishing up a couple of projects that we, wanted to get done yesterday, and then we went right to bed. So, like I said, we went to Melissa's parents' house to kind of celebrate Melissa's birthday because we never got a chance to around her actual birthday, and also we were kind of waiting for her aunt, uncle, and cousins, who are our flower girls, to get in from California. And so, yeah, we went over there, had a nice dinner. We had hamburgers and hot dogs and corn on the cob, and it was a whole lot of fun. We had some cake, and then, yeah, so we kind of just hung out, and we were, talking about last minute wedding things and kind of filling everyone in on the plan and what's going on and what, who needs to be where and when and all that, fun stuff. I'm sorry, I didn't get a chance to end things yesterday, and things are just absolutely crazy. It's the wedding week, and I know you guys understand, but I don't know, I still feel like I need to apologize because I know it would just be frustrating, wanting to see daily vlogs every day, and then they're being, they're behind right now, and I'm just doing the best I can. They will all get up, and yeah, so bear with me just a couple more days, and then the wedding craziness will be over, and things should get back to normal. And yeah, I can't believe the wedding is in a couple of days. Oh my goodness. So it's Tuesday now, so it's 3 days away. 3 freaking days, and we have so much to do still. I feel like I kind of oh, we have so much to do, but I think we're all gonna get it done still, I hope. I'm optimistic, so we will see. But yeah, I'm gonna end things here, so I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to follow along with all of our daily vlogs, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Good night!